poverty. The 2030 Agenda for SDG, created or adopted by the United Nations members, created in 2015, created the 17th Sustainable Development Goal. The aim of this global goal is peace and prosperity to people and the planet while tackling with the climate change and preserving the oceans and the forest. One of these SDG is SDG number 1, or no poverty. Those who are living in high poverty or high percentage of poverty struggles to fulfill the most basic needs such as education, health, access to water, and sanitation. This has been very alarming because this is one of the most challenges that we are facing right now. The solution is the government should invest in economic sustainability to improve our quality education and as well as invest in social protection for all. With this, we are not just making our world a better, but instead we are making our world the best place to live in. Thank you.
Hindi ko SDG is life below water. Ang pag-intindi ko sa paraan is life below water is tubig. So, iba na mag-istra o matay ko sa mga banukog na kanyang magkakablog ng tubig. Pasalig ng hilong so bali ang mga pamumuhay ng mga tao isda why sila mga bumahan isda ay sa mga oil spill na nagahangka sa baybay.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Next up, candidate number 3.
Climate action. I would like to give you 3 simple yet meaningful things that we can do in order to have a safe environment. First, let us know how to reduce, reuse, and recycle our trash. Number 2, let us avoid pollution. Pollution is one of the common problems here in our society, especially when it comes to other infrastructures that is producing a lot of unhealthy air. So we should avoid that. Number 3, let us learn to plant trees. These trees can make the earth stronger and the generations may live longer with prosperity. Because I believe that the future is not an easy way to enter. It is something that we create. That would be all. Thank you.
Clean water and sanitation, accessibility, clean water, dapat focus natin para magtitlo ang tubig, dapat lipiwan din kamayan,
candidate.
SDG number 8, decent work and economic growth. Good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm your candidate number 5. And decent work and economic growth. Decent work and economic growth is very crucial in our society today. Without it, we can achieve more buildings and more improvement in our community. Imagine all the farmers that work hard and know their salary is not enough to sustain their daily uses. And that's why I advocate to educate farmers and all the youth and everyone to be part of the growing. That's why I advocate to fight for. I advocate all people will know their roles and have hard work to pay all and have enough access to daily life. Thank you.
I picked the SDG number 3, good health and well-being. Mental health is also below or can fall to the well-being of one person. Mental health is still a stigmatized topic. Someone tonight might not have been in a good position, but I am here to be more than just a lump. But